So today we will discuss on resource allocation graph. In resource allocation graph, a process is represented by the notation circle. Resource type with 4 instances is represented by a square, with each of the instance represented by a small square. A process requesting an instance is given by the symbol pi, that is from the process, with an arrow towards the resource rj. Similarly, a process holding an instance of resource rj is given by a arrow from the instance to the process. Here is an example of resources allocation graph. We see 3 processes and 3 resources. Resource 1 having instance 1, resource 3 having instance 1 of the instance, and R2 having 2 instances. Each of the process P1, P2 and P3 holding some of the instances of the resources R1, R2 and R3. Now we see here a situation of deadlock. A cycle exists where P1 is holding resource R2, one of the instance. One of the instance of R1 is requested by P1. P2 is holding 2 resources, one instance of R1 and one instance of R2, and it is requesting one of the instance of R3. Similarly, P3 is holding one of the instance of R3. So we can clearly see a cycle going from this direction to this direction to this direction till this direction. So presence of a cycle makes a presence of a deadlock.